Welcome back to Stack Data Hub. Our next topic is cell data formatting in Excel. Now let's see the different data formats used in this table. First, look at the column titles and headings. These values are in text format. Now check the ID column. All the values here are numbers, so the data type is number. Next, look at the name and department columns. The values in these columns are text. Now move to the joining date column. The data type here is date. Finally, look at the basic salary column. The values are numbers, so the data type is number. Now notice one important thing in the joining date column. Most dates are written in one format, but 14-03-2025 is written in a different format compared to the other dates. It is important that dates use the same format. This keeps the data neat, clean, and accurate. So, we need to set the same date format for the entire column. To do this, first select joining date column, then press Ctrl+1 on your keyboard. Now you can see the Format Cells dialog box open. Here, the first tab shows different categories. When we click General, it shows that the number format is not specified. If we click Number, it shows the number formatting options. In the same way, there are other categories such as Currency, Accounting, Date, Time, Fraction, and many more. Since we want to set the correct date format for the joining date column, we will click the Date category. From here, we can select the correct date format or apply a new date format to the column. Here, when we scroll, we can see different date format options. Some date formats also include time. From these options, we will select the last date format. So, click on that option and then click OK. Now you can see that the first three dates have changed their format, but the other dates did not change. This happens because the fourth row date uses a dash sign, so Excel treats it as text format. The remaining dates use a / sign, but their order is month, day, and then year, which creates the wrong date format. That's why Excel cannot change them automatically. To fix this, go to the toolbar and click on the Data tab. Here you will see the Text to Columns option. Click on it. A dialog box will open. In the first step, do not change anything. Just click Next. In the second step, again do not change anything and click Next. In the final step, you will see different options. Here, select the Date option. Then open the drop-down list and select DMY. Here D stands for day, M stands for month, and Y stands for year. After that, click Finish. Now you can see that the date format has been corrected and all dates are now in the same format. Now let's move to the next column, Basic Salary. Here the salary values are shown as numbers, but we cannot identify which country's currency it is. Also, the numbers are not properly formatted with commas and decimal points like a standard salary format. To fix this, press Ctrl+1 on your keyboard again. The Format Cells dialog box will open. Here, click on the Currency option. Now you can see the salary amount displayed with commas and 2 decimal places after the point. You will also see a drop-down list for different currency symbols. Click on the drop-down list and scroll down. Here you can see different countries along with their currency symbols. In our case, we need the dollar currency symbol, so we leave the default option as it is and click OK. After clicking OK, you can see that the basic salary column now shows the dollar sign and the amounts in proper currency format. But here you may notice another issue. Some values are showing hash signs instead of numbers. This happens because the column width is too small to display the full value. To fix this, simply increase the column width manually. Now the salary values will appear correctly with the currency symbol and proper formatting. Thank you for watching the video. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more helpful tutorials.